Welcome to Sounds in Motion for the letter T. T. You put your hands together like this, your fingertips match like that, and you pull them apart real quickly. T. T. It's a short sound and a short movement. T. No voice, just air. T. T. Let's do the word train. Is for train. How about tummy? T is for tummy. The animal turkey is our puppet. T is for turkey. Good. He likes to touch, and your fingers are touching. Begin. T is for touch. He likes to touch his toes way down there. Let's do the word toes. Ready? T is for toes. Last word, terrific job. Just do the word terrific. T is for terrific. And the more you practice, the more T words you will be able to read and write. T